This 5-minute solution will show you how to add non-Steam games to Steam. Follow me to do it. Open your Steam and click on Add a Game. And click on Add a non-Steam game. And here you will get all of your installed games and softwares. From this list, you have to select the game that you want to add to your Steam and click on Add Selected Programs. Now click on Library, and here you will get the game which one you just added to your Steam. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.